Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to restart and power off your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. And firstly, let's reboot this phone. For this, I'm gonna press and hold the power button and the volume down buttons at the same time, so the power off menu appears. Here it is. And now all is left is to tap the restart button and then tap it again to restart your phone. If your phone is lagging and does not respond, simply keep the buttons pressed until the phone restarts. A forced reboot will start in this case. And now let's start it off. For this we have two ways. We can either press and hold these two buttons again and simply select power off option from the list, or we can just long press the power button. But if Bixby enables, then in this case we would need to change some settings. To do this, we need to press and hold these two buttons again, but now choose side button settings, and in the press and hold section, switch to the power off menu. And now when you will hold this power button, you'll see the power off menu. Just like this. Choose this option, then tap it again to power off your phone, and that's it. Hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.